Hello everyone, this is Farooq. So in this video we will look into creating organizational unit in your Active Directory domain. So what you will do is you will open Server Manager. In the tools you go to Active Directory users and computers. And why do we need organizational units is you see here this one where it's a box here. This is an organizational unit, this is an organizational unit, and this is called container. So when you are applying group policies, you cannot apply those to containers, you can apply those to organizational units. So this is why we need organizational units. So what you will do is you will click from wherever you want to create an organizational unit. So at the top you will click right click here, new, and you will see option to create an organizational unit, and you'll create a test unit for video. And okay, and now we have this organizational unit created, and in the next video we will look into how to delete the organizational unit. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.